Greetings, everyone. So now we are going to discuss about some basics about the period table. If you talk about um, you know, basic concept of period table, it's uh, given from the fact that it is made up of seven periods, seven horizontal rows, and 18 vertical columns. These period rows are known as periods, and those 18 groups, 18 columns are known as groups. Now, when it comes to the characteristic of the periods are basically seven in number. The first period is having two elements with hydrogen and helium. Shortest period is first period. Second period and third period both are having eight elements each, such that the first element repeats properties with the eighth element. First element of the second period repeats property the with the first element of the third period. Now, when it comes to the fourth and fifth period, both of these are having 18 elements. In second and third period, we only had one type of elements from group A, only representative elements. But in fourth and fifth group, we are having elements from group A, representative elements, alongside group B, which is the transition metals. So eight of them are from the representative elements as it was present in second and third period, and 10 of them are present from transition metals. They repeat property after a certain period. On the other hand side, we have sixth period. In the sixth period, we've got around 32 elements, since as a result of which it is, you know, the longest period from now onwards. And apart from that, there are eight representative elements, 10 transition metals, and 14 inner transition metals. Such that eight representative elements um, are in the group are, are in groups 1 to 8A, while transition metals are present in the center of the periodic table, while inner transition metals are present at the bottom of the periodic table. These are the 14 inner transition elements, which are known as lanthanides in groups, and these are known as lanthanides in period 6 because they start from lanthanium. So these are known as lanthanides. These are also known as rare earth metals because they you know have they are found less abundantly or found sparsely in earth. So these are known as rare earth metals. On the other side, if we talk about group 7, it is a incomplete period because still elements are being added into it and research is going on. So there are for group 1 and 2A, in seventh period we've got only two stable elements, and there are certain transition metals discovered as well. But again, it's being discovered, so we are unable to get an accurate margin of how things go. But if we talk about inner transition metals, there are 14 inner transition elements that have been discovered, which are known as the actinides because they start from actinium in period 7. So these are known as actinides, which are also rare earth elements like lanthanides. Due to their scarcity, these are found less in earth. Now, apart from that, we are going to discuss about the groups, right? So groups here basically are divided into two major categories. Group A, the representative elements, and the second category is B, transition metals. Transition metals are so called because they undergo oxidation state changes and do not have a definite oxidation state, due to which these are known as transition metals because of transiting oxidation states. But group 1A, sorry, category A are having a specific oxidation state, and alongside that they are having specific names as well. Group 1A is named as alkaline metals because they produce strong bases when they react with water. Group 2A is named as alkaline earth metal because of their alkaline properties, as well as because they are found abundantly in the earth's crust. On the other side, if we talk about Group 7A is the halogen family because halo means the word halo is Greek meaning salt, and gen means producer. So halogens are basically salt producers, such that when they react with metals, they cause to produce salt. And group 8A are known as noble gases or inert gases because they are least reactive in the entire periodic table, and have because they have completed their octet and duplet rule, and their valencies are satisfied, fully satisfied. On the other hand side, these are the transition metals, and group 1b in transition metals is known as the coinage metals. Group 1b in transition metals is known as the coinage metals. The reason behind it is that they have excellent they have been utilized in since early times for creating coins out of them. So these group 1b is known as transition metals. An important property of group 1b is that they are excellent electrical conductors. The best electrical conductors in the entire period table is group 1b. So the electrical conductivity is like exceptional, right? So these are the basic properties about it. Hopefully that's all about this video. Hopefully we meet again in another video.